This video guides you how to set up AWS IoT Core for FreeRTOS with OTA demo, and how to configure the board. This table shows the environment in which operation of this demo project was verified. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router to the CK-RX65N V2 board. On the CK-RX65N V2, check that J11 is open, J2 is short, and pins 1 and 2 of J16 are shorted. Also, connect both J10 and J14 on the CK-RX65N V2 to the PC with USB cables. Access the AWS website and click Sign in to the console. Enter your account ID, username and password, and then click Sign in. After logging into AWS, select your region at the top right of the screen. Enter IoT Core in the search box at the top of the screen, and click IoT Core in the search results. In the menu, click Security, and then Policies, and then click the Create Policy button. In the policy name field, enter a policy name of your choice. For the policy action, select Allow for IoT Connect. For policy resource, enter the wildcard character, asterisk symbol, to allow the resource. Then click the Add New Statement button, and add IoT Publish, IoT Receive, and IoT Subscribe in a similar way. Finally, click the Create button. In the Manage, click All Devices and Things, and then click the Create Things button. Select Create Single Thing, and then click Next. Enter a thing name. Make a note of the thing name you entered. You will need it later. Then click Next. In the Device Certificate area, select Auto-generate a new certificate, and then click Next. Select the policy you created, and then click the Create Thing button. You must download the certificate, public key, and private key now. You will not have another opportunity to download them later. Click Done. In the menu, click Domain Configurations Updated, and make a note of the domain name. From the Services menu, select Storage, and then S3. On the General Purpose Buckets page, click the Create Bucket button. Enter a bucket name. The bucket name must be globally unique. The error message appears if the bucket name is already in use. In this case, use another name. Select Block All Public Access on Block Public Access setting for this bucket. Select Enable on Bucket Versioning. Finally, click Create Bucket. Enter IAM in the search box at the top of the screen, and click IAM in the search results. In the menu, click Roles, and then click the Create Role button. Under Trusted Entity Type, select AWS Service. Under Use Cases for other AWS services, select IoT. Select the IoT option button, then click Next. Click Next on the App Permissions page without making any changes. enter role name, and then click the Create Role button. Click the role you created. Select Attach Policies. Enter Amazon FreeRTOS OTA update in the Permissions Policies search box, and then press the Enter key. Select the checkbox beside the Amazon FreeRTOS OTA update policy, and then click the Add Permissions button. From the Add Permissions drop-down list, select Create Inline Policy. Click JSON. Remove the default code. Copy the code in Application Note. This code allows the IAM role to be passed to various AWS services. Paste the code in Application Note, and then click Next. Enter policy name, and then click the Create Policy button. Again, from the Add Permissions drop-down list, select Create Inline Policy. Click JSON. Remove the default code. Copy the code in Application Note. This code grants access to Amazon S3 where the updated firmware is stored. Paste the code in Application Note, and then click Next. Enter policy name, and then click the Create Policy button. Launch the OpenSSL command prompt. To generate a key pair for ECC with OpenSSL, please enter the command line as the example in blue rectangle. You will need to enter your information for the values in red rectangles. Regarding country name, 2-letter code, please confirm ISO 3166 to 1 alpha to Wikipedia. You will need to enter your information for the values in red rectangles. Next, enter this sample command line in blue rectangle. You will need to enter your information for the values in red rectangles. You can leave empty for the value in green. Finally, enter these commands in blue rectangle. The following video shows you how to create the initial firmware.